Rosemary, or rosemary herb, is a fragrant plant rich in beneficial ingredients for hair. It improves blood circulation in the scalp, promoting hair growth. It strengthens hair follicles, reducing hair loss. It contains antioxidants that protect the hair from damage. It helps cleanse the scalp from dandruff. Despite these benefits, the potency of the rosemary oil may be irritating for some, so it is recommended to test the product before regular use. Hello everyone, today I want to share my experience with Mielle rosemary oil, the green bottle. This oil has been trending in the market, so I decided to give it a try to see its benefits for hair. In this video, I'll talk about its features, usage, pros and cons based on my experience after using it for a while. Stay tuned until the end of the video. First, let's start with the specifications of Mielle rosemary oil. It comes in a green 59 ml bottle with a strong aromatic scent. Rosemary oil is well known for its significant benefits for hair. It's said to promote hair growth, reduce hair fall and strengthen hair follicles. In addition to the oil, this product line also includes a shampoo, mask and conditioner, all formulated with rosemary, to complement the benefits of the oil. The usage was simple. I applied the oil directly to my scalp using a few drops and gently massaged it in. Then I left it on for an hour or more before washing it off. Initially, I used it twice a week, but over time, I adjusted the quantity based on the results I observed. At first, the oil delivered positive results and the improvement in my hair was noticeable. The first thing I observed was that my hair became shinier and stronger. I felt a significant improvement in its health, especially after a short period of use. Additionally, I noticed it helped strengthen my roots and increased hair thickness. In the initial stages, the benefits were quite evident. However, over time some downsides began to appear. After a few weeks of use, my hair started falling out significantly, which was concerning. Over time, I also noticed an increase in grey hairs, which was frustrating. The biggest drawback was that my hair itself became extremely dry and rough after a while, which I hadn't expected from a natural oil like this. So despite the initial benefits, the long-term damage was significant for me. My conclusion about Mielle rosemary oil is this: it has clear benefits initially, but the drawbacks I experienced after prolonged use made me stop using it personally. I wouldn't recommend it to everyone because it might work well for some, but could cause problems for others depending on their hair type. If you're thinking of trying it, my advice is to start with small amounts and see how your hair reacts. Also be patient, as the results won't appear overnight. And that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Have you tried Mielle oil? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.